Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Jason coming at you one more again. Fix this damn camera angle here. Make my head look big. Anyway, guys, like I said, coming at you one more again. Topic of the video is the Associated dropped the B6.1 carpet car and B6.1D, which is a dirt car. I'm gonna run down a list of what both cars have, and at the end I'll give my 2 cents of what I think. Starting off, the carpet car has front and rear sway bars on both ends, and they give this to you in the kit. The new design tranny, or transmission case, well, new design tranny. You know, the regular B6, some of us B6 addicts or Team Associated addicts, you know, we had to take out like, I don't know, 12, 16 screws just to get the diff out. Well, now you can take 4 screws or whatever and just get your diff out now on the new 6.1. The carpet car, and they have the new slipper. The slipper's on the other side instead of the side we're accustomed to. I guess that's to balance out the weight. Also, the carpet car has a steel plate on your electronics, and this is what they give to you in the kit. Also, you get the new design arms, front and rear. They come with like an insert. I'm not sure if they're the hard material or not, but it takes the hassle out of drilling the third hole in the rear arm. I tried drilling the third hole in the rear arm. I took a hard rear arm and tried drilling the third hole, and like I went off for triple. Like, I drove the car felt great. Went off for triple at, you know, speed RC, and I broke the arm. And it was like, man, it was $9 there. So by them doing this insert, it takes the pain and hassle out of it to where you have that option. And they also have on their shock towers, they have new design shock towers that have shock caps over the shock tower, you know, for breakage and stuff. I've always just cut the outside holes off my shock towers, front and rear, keep it from snagging and breaking. It seems to work for me. I'm talking from my experience on the regular B6. I don't know anybody that's got the B6.1 yet. Another thing they done was shorter chassis. You're not gonna get the regular chassis like the B6 has. The B6.1 shorter chassis, and I don't think anything matches up. I don't think you can hardly match anything off, you know, the updated parts from the 6.1 to the regular B6. I'm not sure, but I don't think you can. Another thing that I think is cool, going back to the train or the transmission, is they have adjustable diff heights in the transmission case, so you can adjust your diff height location. And both the dirt car and the carpet car has this. I think Associated doing this is, you know, the other manufacturers are catching up. I've seen this. I haven't looked quite at the Yokomo Wazi 2, like, you know, to see if it had that, but I do know on the Yokomo 4-wheel drive car it has adjustable height diff adjustments. They also, in the diff on the carpet car, the B6.1, the differential, the gear diff is redesigned too. Awesome J pointed that out. He said, you know, this new design also helps stop leakages and stuff like that. Also, what I saw on both cars is they offer a 67mm CVA. I've been running that for about a year and a half now. I run low C TLR 67mm CVA with I think it was BMR Racing hub spacer inserts. I've been running those for bushing, whatever. I've been running that for a while. I like that system. Makes the car more stable. Well, now Associated's gonna give it to you in their kit. Also, they're gonna give both the carpet car and the dirt car, the shock cap and bushing is all one piece. So I guess once you wear out the shock cap, you just buy a new shock cap. It's one piece. But yeah, the dirt car. Well, and here's the carpet car. You get sway bars front and rear. The dirt car, you don't get the sway bars front and rear. But what you do get on the dirt car is the dirt car. You get the +1 steering blocks, but you don't get the still electronic weight. Yeah, you don't get that. The dirt car, you get the third hole option. I think I went over that. But another thing that Associated has done in this kit is their bearings. They give you old bearings instead of grease bearings. Where have y'all seen that before? You've seen it right here on my channel. A lot of people told me I was a quack for doing it, and I was wrong. I'm a ruin bearings. Now they're giving to you in the kit. Another thing that they're doing front and or inside the shocks is they're giving you machine pistons on the dirt car and the carpet car. I've always ran machine pistons, so it's no biggie to me. But what stood out with me on this kit is, you know, they could have gave you the +1 steering for the carpet car. They could have thrown in. They could have made this one kit, you know, like the 6.1 Ultimate or something. I don't know, but the grease bearings. Going back to that, like I said, I've been telling people to do this for over a year now. And you won't believe the haters that when I did that video, the haters. But once you do it, you'll be like, oh, okay, this is what's up. Like, you feel and see the difference of your car on the track. But yeah, the dirt car, like I said, I don't know. In my opinion, the way how grippy tracks are these days, I would go with the carpet car. If I didn't have a B6, I would go with a carpet car. Because, I mean, you get so much stuff, and it's like, all you gotta do is add the +1 steering blocks, and they give you more in the carpet car kit than they do in the dirt kit, to me. But how grippy the tracks are these days, you would want the carpet car. You know, just get your ball diff or whatnot. But yeah, my gripe, what I would like to see in both kits is aluminum steering cranks. And that's the reason I've done this video, is I would like to see aluminum steering cranks. Either the rack, aluminum rack, or the aluminum bell crank. One or the other. You know, you don't have to give the whole aluminum set, you know, just one or the other. The C block, the 25-gram C block, I think that should have been given on the dirt car. Maybe the carpet car too, but the dirt car, I think it should have been included in the kit. I know they're trying to keep costs down, but this is the stuff you're gonna, you know, if you're a hardcore racer, you're gonna need. Another thing I wish they'd have put in this 6.1 kit is machined internals. They didn't put our machined shock internals. And what I mean by that is the O-ring, the uh, the O-ring spacer, all the stuff that goes in the cap to hold the O-ring assembly. Well, they offer a machined material of all that, and I use them, and I could tell they're smoother. But they don't include this in the 6.1 kit. I don't know why. Another thing they should have included in the 6.1 kit that would make B6 owners like go, oh, okay, I'm sell this or scrap my B6 and get this kit, is they should have gave or put in the box Kashima coated shock bodies, front and rear, in both kits. They did put a V2 spring in there. They said like a new improved V2 spring in both kits. I'm kind of wondering, is it a spring that will be on par with Kyosho spring, or is it a spring that will be on par with Yokomo springs? I run Kyosho springs and Yokomo springs. That's it. Can't beat them. The feel of them is just better. But yeah, those are things I think they should have offered. Aluminum steering crank or aluminum rack, one or the other. The 25 gram C block, machine shock internals, and Kashima coated shock bodies. I think that's something they should have thrown in the kit. They did give you a spur gear guard, or they did that some funky way in the 6.1, so you do have that. But here's my gripe. With me, my B6 is decked. Like, I have the bell crank. I have Kashima coated shock bodies. I have chrome shock shafts. I have the 25 gram weight. You know, I have aluminum hubs. Hard arms up front and hard arms in the rear. Oh, and another thing they should have gave on the carpet car, sorry about jumping back and forth, is I don't think they give you hard side rails for the carpet car, and that's something I think, and that's something they should have included in the kit. I have hard side rails on my B6, hard arms, hard side rails, and you won't believe the difference, like jumping and landing that makes. Why everybody's car, when they jump and they smack the ground, they're bouncing everywhere, my car lands so plush and keeps on going. I think that's what they should have offered in the 6.1. Like I said, the 6.1 kit, I don't know why they came out with it. Like I said, if you're a B6 or a team associated addict like myself, and your B6 has already got, hop ups, I don't see why you would sell your B6 to go to that. Unless your B6 is, ragged out, and you're like, oh, I'm gonna get a new kit anyway. Yeah, that'd be the kit to get. But I don't know anything about what will transfer over from the B6 to the 6.1. If y'all know, comment down below what parts will go back and forth between the kits. But for what I'm gathered, there's hardly much anything that would transfer from the 6.1 to the B6. But yeah, another thing is shock caps. Like, I got aluminum shock caps on my B6. I think they could have thrown that in there, instead of making it all one where your shock cap wore out, you just get a new shock cap. But who knows, that system might work. It's all about system. But yeah, I haven't seen a 6.1 at the track yet to really tell. and I don't know any associated guys locally that have the 6.1, so I haven't been able to video or really, you know, pick their brain. And it's got a new battery strap, you know, but whoopee do. You know, half the time I don't even run a battery strap. I just double side sticky tape my battery in. But the question is it worth that price? Is it worth the money? Man, if you got in my opinion, my 2 cents only, if you got a decked out B6 already, I don't think it's worth the money. That's just my 2 cents. But if you're on the sideline and let's say you're switching from TLR and wanting to try associated, yeah, go that route. If you're Yokomo and you want to try associated, yeah, go that route. But it just seems to me like associated, the other manufacturers are catching them. Like they're really catching associated, and they're catching them fast. Associated's trying to put out, you know, all the fires and all the competition. They're trying to put them out, you know, here and there. It's gonna be interesting. But anyway, guys, that's just my 2 cents. That's just a rundown of 6.1 of what I think. But yeah. Oh, and my local track will be going carpet here pretty soon. I'm thinking 3 months. I've heard 6 months, but they'll be going carpet here. So I might just get the carpet car and just, that would be my, you know, carpet, you know, when I don't want to get dirty, I guess, you know. But they're going to go carpet. But for now, guys, I guess y'all see me at, you know, Beach RC. That's about 4 hours away. So guys, I'll be doing videos, I guess, or down there practicing and racing at Beach RC. I'm gonna try and do something. Like, I gotta do something. But yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. Keep on lookout for the 6.1. I'm ready for the truck. Associated, y'all falling behind with that stadium truck. But anyway, guys, talk to y'all guys later.